something funky just happened with my camera, so I think I'm gonna do this again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ash and this is All That Ash. If you are new here, I just want to say welcome. I hope you decide to subscribe and become part of the familia. I'd be more than happy to have you. If you're not new here, welcome back to another video. And look at my lighting! Ah! My lighting is amazing, you guys. I found like these tiny little lights that would fit in my little corner, so I'm dead ass like in love. And I'm dying like, it's so great. And I got some new hair. Tell me what you think in the comments, boo. Anyway, so I wanted to do a boxy charm and I wanted to do a boxy charm and an E.L.F. haul. I'm always buying makeup, guys. I'm sorry. So it's an obsession, it's a hobby, it's an addiction. But either way, so in this month's box for me, I decided to do kind of more of the makeup stuff, and then I forgot the questions they asked me, but I wanted more makeup than skincare. I feel like I'm very picky when it comes to skincare, so I'd rather choose it than have it just sent to me and then just go wasted, you know? But with makeup, it's always trial and error, so it's okay. If I can't use it, somebody else can. Yay! So, ooh, excuse me. Hi, poo-poo. So aside of that, moving right into the products. So for this month, we got the Caprice. It's the Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. I used this when I did this face, so I'll post another video where you guys will see the makeup look that I got, or the makeup look that I have on. There we go. So this was actually really, really hydrating. It was so hydrating. I was really shocked. I thought I have oily skin, so I'm very, very particular about what I put on. But because I said I was going to try it, I tried it, and it was actually very moisturizing. I was completely shocked. So we'll see how it wears throughout the day. But for now, I'm very happy. Then we have the Farsali Rose Gold Mist. This is beautiful, you guys. I've never tried Farsali, but look how gorgeous that is. You guys seen Superbad? Doesn't this look like that freaking Gold Slick vodka that he was supposed to get for Becca? My God. Smells funny, but it's beautiful. It actually does have little gold flakes in it that got all over me, but I love because I'm glowing. Then, this was my first time trying Dominique Cosmetics. I adore this palette. This is... okay. This is so freaking cute. I use these two on my eyes and then in my waterline. So like I said, I have another video where I do like a makeup tutorial using the BoxyCharm box. So you guys can click on over to that and then check it out. But the formula was beautiful in this. Very, very good. Very proud. I will be buying more Kristen Dominique. And then another product that, well, actually, I guess I've never tried any of the products in this, but the Dose of Colors, and the color is Date Night, and that's what I have on my lips. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. And it went on so creamy. It just literally glided on. I've never tried this formula before, and I love it. I adore it. Super cute. Then we have these Starry Eyes eye warming masks. So it says self-warming eye mask. So I guess you're supposed to take them out of the package. They have little loops to wrap around your ears, and then it starts to warm up, and then you just relax, have some me time, if you will. And then it lasts for up to 20 minutes, it says. So I'm going to have to try that because I do like skincare Sundays. Like every Sunday I decide that I want, well, I don't decide, but every Sunday I do like a deep clean, an exfoliation, a mask. Like, you know, I just completely redo and revamp my skin before the week starts. So then I don't know if everyone gets these, but they're little coupons, I guess. There's like a Natasha Denona. She's super expensive, so 30% off is really good. And then Dragon Beauty, there's a 15% off your next purchase over $80. I don't know what she has that would cost $80, I guess, unless you buy like her entire line. So I don't know, whatever. But coupons. Bless you, honey bun. So that was everything for my BoxyCharm box this month. And then with E.L.F., E.L.F. actually had a sale where everything was like by, I think, oh my God, I don't know, but everything I got in this box was like $30 fucking. So that's all I know. Let's get into it. Look at my baby. Let me see. So the, did I put it back in here? 2 times the original. Yeah. So the first product we have is the E.L.F. Makeup Mist and Set, twice the original, 2 times the original. I don't know, but Makeup Mist and Set is this one. Then there is an E.L.F. bronzer palette, and then you see right here it's deep bronzer. Mirror included. Ooh, you see that on the back? Mirror included. Nice. Deep bronzer. Okay, then there's the Aqua Infused Blush and Bronzer, which I thought was super freaking cute. I love that it has both. It says Bronzed Pink Beige. Sounds pretty. Then we have the Matte Magic Mist and Set. Also, I love setting sprays, guys. And then a Poreless Face Primer, the pink one. I'm like, is it gonna focus? Yes. There's that one. I've been wanting to try this since I seen this like months ago. I seen the packaging and I thought the packaging was so cute. It says Matte Blotting Mist plus kaolin clay. I don't know, but apparently it's supposed to be a mattifying spray. We'll see how that works. Next, there's a Prep and Blur stick. It says sheer. So I don't know if that means that there's like some color to it. If anything, it's going to go underneath all the makeup anyway. And I'm dark. I'm good. There's only 2 more items left. I'm going really fast. I'm sorry. It's the Soothing Aloe Mist. It soothes skin, refreshes makeup with vitamin E and cucumber. Ooh. Yes, that's cute. Last product is the Aqua Beauty Aqua Primer Mist in Clear. Nice. Yeah, so wasn't as crazy long as my last haul from Ulta, but you guys, my birthday is like next Wednesday. It's literally next week, so I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna buy a bunch of makeup, so look out for new makeup hauls. Yay. All right, you guys, so it was a really quick video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, go ahead and give me a like. Let me know in the comments what you think about your BoxyCharm box, because it's my first time. I thought the products were great. I don't know what to expect next month, so I hope it's just as exciting. And then, like I said, E.L.F. always has deals, so everything that I got in that box was like $30. You can just click on their website and see what they have going on. Usually they got some good old deals, but other than that, I love you guys. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you better subscribe. I fixed my lighting, so yes, yay to more videos, yay to better videos, yay to more me. All that ash. Love you.